Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to ship on PayPal. After a buyer completes their payment, locate the Print Shipping Label option within the transaction details. Carefully confirm the buyer's shipping address to ensure accuracy. Next, you will select your preferred shipping carrier, such as USPS, UPS, or FedEx, based on your package's needs and your shipping preferences. This initial step is crucial for a smooth and efficient shipping process. Once you've chosen your carrier, it's time to enter your package details. Accurately weigh your package and input the exact weight in pounds and ounces. Then, provide the package dimensions, including length, width, and height, in inches. Finally, select the appropriate service type, like Priority Mail or Ground Advantage, to match your desired delivery speed and cost. Precise information here helps avoid additional charges and ensures proper delivery. Before finalizing, carefully review all the shipping details you've entered. Double-check the recipient's address, package weight, dimensions, and selected service to prevent any errors. PayPal will then display the total shipping cost, which you can confirm. Once everything looks correct, proceed to purchase and print your shipping label directly from your computer. This saves you time and effort at the post office or shipping center. With your label printed, securely attach it to your package, ensuring it's clearly visible and not obstructed. Then, simply drop off your package at the designated carrier location, whether it's a post office, UPS store, or FedEx drop box. PayPal conveniently integrates tracking information, allowing both you and your buyer to monitor the shipment's progress directly through the platform. This provides peace of mind until delivery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.